Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Davido. I hear say they use police to go arrest Davido and Chioma. My people, this one shocked me like seriously, like what did they happen? What did they play? How they go arrest a person who lost the Pikin? Hey, me I never see hear this kind of thing before. I hear them for news. The thing shocked me. My people not be smart. Not the way we not go here for a star bully. Not the way we not go here for a star the social media. Pikin, wait, meme, all of us they cry. We they pray, be no make it be seen and come and I really there as they talk. Now they will come to go arrest them for the one way they so. Where did he come to night meme Pikin? I go person go bump Pikin still come this life. I want to meme around with you and not the way we not go here for a star the social media. It's so painful. Like I don't know what 9 people go day house 9. They not can even know. Say Pikin, they go. Now wow, according to the way we say here the news, the ask girls say what? The ask girls say in this day with the Pikin. Later, he not can know when the Pikin take comot. He leave for his house. Then the rest people, he live for his house. He say he not can know when if I take go downstairs. And this house na very big house, so very big by people. Very big house. So they can just pass everywhere. Like small Pikin of 3 years just go fit climb down. Now lie. Now somebody carry that Pikin as he did that city room there. Somebody now carry that Pikin, carry and go put for inside that swimming pool. Because now later they say where he find, they can't say they don't know where he did. They say now he can't look for her. He can't look for her. Later he can't go he can't say maybe he hide. He can't go where he hide put. As he can't reach there, he not can see her. Now he can't say where he find he can't before gate man can't say see he find for that swimming pool. After he find he does strong go tire, he not fit again. And they can't say rush and go hospital. But now they can't say call the mama, call the papa. Those one can't they run, they come back, you know. So me I not believe that kakaboo story. What me believe say these people have to confess. They get armed for what they put to this Pikin. Now somebody carry that Pikin go to that before. But the Davido house is supposed to get this CCTV camera. It's supposed to get. May we don't really know what will do that thing, because how can a house with that big house that camera not go there with business Pikin did that house? No, they're supposed to get. You understand? They just want to keep this joy for Chioma body, all because they see say Chioma don't settle with Davido back. Now if people body enter their body, now they want cause pain to Chioma. They want just cause pain to that girl. That girl, Chioma, is a very calm and nice girl. They just want cause pain to her. All because they see 2 of them in with Davido come back again. Now that pain I enter their body. Now they say now what pain and pass, now they go take from her. I pray maybe say you read the coma as they talk make everybody pray. All those pastors where they pray every day, they revive somebody with me. They do this, they do that. Now more show na power beg. Make una show una power now. They don't need to bring the Pikin can't give una. Una fit show the power for una house there. The Pikin go wake up. Carry a picture full everywhere. Carry a picture they pray put. This Pikin have to come back to life. Chioma cannot lose Ifeanyi just like that. Enough he lose Ifeanyi just like that. More una bring her to life. I think the other one saying go mortuary, go bring a person where doc me bring her come back again to life. I beg see help us bring Ifeanyi. We want me you see say una bring Ifeanyi come back. May we see him. Not be only to they make matter of una day. You understand? At least see airports bring Ifeanyi come back now. I beg. Now God me say beg una. Bring Ifeanyi come back too. We want me Ifeanyi come back to life. With that boy, we cannot just lose him just like that. Everybody celebrating for a birthday. I celebrate am well. Even one of my friends come, they say, ah, and are you born Ifeanyi? When you just celebrate am, you know, that boy is so cute, like he's full of life. How that boy go just like that. He's so painful. Person wey cause this thing for your body, you no go get peace for your life. Your own, now it go worse pass. Who wan cause this pain for Chioma body? Who say Chioma no go dey happy for this Christmas? That person you own, you no go get happiness for your life. That person go get am for body woto. He go use the mouth confess, say, they pay me to do this thing. They pay me to do this thing. Who pay you? If not the rest side chick them, bring the heart. Bring the heart, oh. Because Ifeanyi cannot just go just like that, oh. Ifeanyi must come back to life. Ifeanyi must come back to life. Anybody, God, I beg, forgive us our sins. If any sin dey wey Chioma do or Davido do, wey you dey vex for them for, oh Father, please forgive them and bring Ifeanyi come back to life. I beg God. Now God, now we dey beg now. God, I beg. Anybody wey sabi pray, make he pray. Ifeanyi is supposed to come back to life. Ifeanyi cannot go just like that. Oh Father, please, please forgive us our sins. Forgive us, oh Father Lord. Forgive us. We cannot just dey look me our pikin just God. The pain wey pass another this world. Chioma cannot forgive herself. Chioma cannot forgive herself. All because Chioma, Davido talk and say next year, now him go do the marriage. Then they just want me to cause this pain to Chioma. I beg God. God, I beg. If any way they, if it bring her body come back again, oh Father, please do it. Do it for Chioma, please God. Do it. If I see that boy picture like this, I also cry. Like I will just something, it will just be like something come off my body. Oh Father, please let Ifeanyi come back. Let Ifeanyi come back to life. Pastor, all the pastors, more na pray. All those fake prophecy, what they do now, so somebody wake up. We want to see this one, and this one are the one way we know. More na help us wake up, I beg. Make God, I beg, please. Please, God, let Ifeanyi come back to life again. Let Ifeanyi come back. Ifeanyi cannot go like that. We cannot lose him just like that. We cannot just lose Ifeanyi. Just celebrate his birthday. Everybody celebrate with him. Now, see what we can see. Oh, Father, please. Anybody that gang up to do this thing, go see him for body. You go see your own for body, because it's not good for somebody to just carry person Pikin memory like that. It's so painful, like seriously. It's so painful. Oh Father, please let Ifeanyi come back. My people, Mona say let me pray for comment section. Ifeanyi must come back to life. Bye everybody.